My Photo Voice project will be based on awareness of the development and use of technology in the Hispanic culture and how it has impacted them to this day. My goal is to provide information on the different resources in the community that are providing support. I will communicate how schools and our community have developed avenues of support to young people of this community. My focus will be on a school district in the Valley and the public library in that city. According to Culture, Change, and Relation Among Communities by Rogoff, change is quite noticeable in today's world, and technology has advanced rapidly. This school district is located in a city that has 41.3% below poverty level among its citizens and 44.6% of students below poverty level. In education, what is important is not having great advancements in technology, but having access to it when needed. This school district has 12 elementary schools, 3 middle schools, 2 high schools, and 2 alternative schools that have been equipped with computer labs to supplement good education to all students. Regardless of their race or economic status, all students have the privilege of freely using computers for different types of projects. Every elementary school has a technology applications class that facilitates instruction for students from grades 1st through 5th. For example, my daughter's school has a computer lab with 30 computers, aside from every classroom having 4 computers in each. Students are exposed to instructional programs, aside from being allowed to do their homework in this same computer lab in their after-school program. Students who do not have the means or technology equipment at home have the same opportunity of doing their schoolwork because the after-school program ends at 6 p.m. Monday through Thursday. The school district just received a grant for $200,000 to buy technology equipment for all the schools in hopes of providing more means for their students. The middle schools have 4 computer labs aside from the computers in the library. They have classes for technology applications, multimedia, exploring careers, and fundamentals of typing. The after-school program at the middle school where I teach has a great program that helps students with mathematics and reading with over 150 computers and a student ratio of 825. Students who need to use computers for homework are allowed to participate with instruction given in both English and Spanish. The classrooms are available from 7:30 a.m. through 8:30 a.m. for homework assignments. Dr. Susan Musanti's video, Culture, Social Class, and Race in Education, Who Gets Ahead?, stated that people develop as they participate in cultural activity and that communication is very important. Every school in the district promotes their services and communicates to the parents what services are being provided. The city's public library is another facility that has been servicing the community. The library was remodeled 4 years ago, adding more space and bringing in more than 50 computers. The public library hours are Monday through Thursday from 10 a.m. through 7 p.m., Friday from 10 a.m. through 5 p.m., and Saturday from noon to 5 p.m. The library only had 4 computers prior to the remodeling. The majority of the books have been transferred to a computer software where anyone can access the information just by going into the database. They also added a small coffee shop, somewhat like Starbucks, that allows people to enjoy a cup of coffee or milk while they study, read, or do assignments. Many students who do not have access to school computers during the weekend can come to the public library and use the computers for an unlimited amount of time as long as the equipment is available. The library is a great place for anyone because not only do they have access to any book needed, but they can also use the computers to do any kind of work needed. Mr. Gerardo Salazar is the director of the library, who states that we are here to serve the people without any discrimination of race, age, or sex. This project allowed me to see how much we have advanced and all the great resources available to our students. I do not remember even having a computer class until middle school when I was young, and there was no such thing as having a computer at home. Today, the availability of technology equipment like computers is impressive. Our communities are progressing, providing our community the help needed, especially for Hispanics.